Welcome back to Tina's sewing class. Today we're going to be measuring and cutting a simple A-line dress. This is a 60-inch white fabric, and I folded it in 4 pieces. So this is going to be my sides and this is my center. I'm going to find my neckline first of all. And I know it's 8 inches wide, so I go 4 inches and I mark 4 inches, and I'm going 5 inches down, so I measure 5 inches down here. My shoulder is 3.5 inches. So I go from my very top to 3.5 inches and I mark here. Now my armhole is going to be 18 inches. So I use my armhole ruler from the end of my shoulder and I set it and I mark 9 inches and curve. Now I already measured the length that I'm gonna finish from shoulder to my hem line, 38 inches. So now I'm ready to cut pretty much. Alright, so that's I go 1 inch down for my shoulder. So that's my shoulder cut, and this is gonna be my neckline. And this, guys, is just easy freehand cutting. Just measure the fabric and cut. Don't have to make a pattern. It's my shoulder, 1 inch. My neckline. Guys, so there you have it, guys. Simple A-line dress.